He knows better than to enter the court of the Gentiles, let alone the city. Are there visible signs of impurity?
I cannot tell.
A proper examination will.
What is your verdict?
Indeed, he is cured of leprosy. There is nothing to disqualify him from the cleansing ritual.
How was it done?
He touched me.
The Nazarene? By one without authority? How blasphemous the claim.
You can say his name, you know. Yeshua.
Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kiddushanu b'mitzvotav.
A sinner cannot heal.
But God can.
According to the law, you must wash yourself and your clothes and shave your hair. And then in 7 days, return to the temple with an offering, and we will complete the cleansing process.
You were healed completely. cleansed.
Thank you.
I am not he who should be thanked.
I'm Taylor and I'm the director of the Cleansing of the Leper short film. We hope you enjoyed this powerful, untold story of faith. There are a lot of deep meanings in the film, and I encourage you to rewatch it with the Bible in hand, following along with Leviticus 14 and Mark 140. We'd love to know your comments and your insights. I want to recognize the amazing team of volunteers, actors, film team, and donors that made this short film come to life. We could not have done it without your help, so thank you. This is just the first of many short films we hope to produce, as we believe they'll continue influencing lives for the better. If you'd like to support our mission, please consider a tax-deductible donation. You can find the link in the video description. If you don't feel ready to contribute but would still like to support, subscribing to the channel, leaving a like or comment, and sharing the video also goes a long way. If you want to learn more about the cleansing of the leper, check out our bonus content with expert interviews, explainer videos, and more. Thank you again for watching, and we can't wait to hear what you think of the film.